find Band-Aids in the metalworking shop. But I was surprised to find out that the new Miller Metalworker gloves didn't cost much more than that box of Band-Aids. And I was also a little surprised to see that Miller found out how to use neoprene, Velcro, and spandex in the metalworking glove. And of course they used a lot of top grain leather in all the right places. And they added an extra layer of leather along the inside of the thumb where my other gloves always wear out. Some of the other glove guys might not be happy about this. And they put the Velcro closer over the top of your wrist where it's easy to get at and comfortable when you're using the gloves. And they use a lot of double row stitching that makes these gloves more durable. And we'll get back to this stitching pattern a little bit later. The breathable fabric and spandex panels on the back of the glove make them very comfortable when you make a fist or grasp a tool. That fabric also lets the gloves breathe, so they're much more comfortable to wear. At first I couldn't figure out why they ran this double row stitching around the palm like this. And then I noticed roughly the same pattern in my palm. I didn't know that ergonomic designing would work from the inside out, but it does. I used the procedure on Miller's website for measuring my hand for the gloves, but when I put them on they felt awful tight. But once you get them on, they're not nearly as tight because they fit the shape of your hand so well. While that does make them very comfortable, you can also use your hand almost like you're not wearing gloves. I could actually pick stuff up and put it back down again where I wanted it. The more that I wore the Miller Metalworker gloves, the more I found that I could do things with my hands that I couldn't before. I usually had to take my old gloves off to do smaller things. More often than not, with the Metalworker gloves, I could just keep on working. So if you work in the metalworking shop and you're getting tired of buying boxes of these, you should really think about getting these. The Miller Metalworker gloves don't cost a whole lot more than the box of Band-Aids do, and they're a lot more fun to use than the Band-Aids are.